guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's see today what we are making, and before that do subscribe my channel, and if you like this video share with this your friends and family, and don't forget to like this video. So let's see what we are making. So today I'm going to make crispy baby corn. For that here I've taken baby corn which I've cutted in a slanting manner. Now in this add some black pepper powder, salt and vinegar. Now add some flour or maida. I will only dry coat them. Fry our baby corn in a very medium hot oil. This will take at least 10 minutes to cook. So all our baby corn has been fried properly. Now let's prepare this sauce. For that, in a pan add some oil, chopped garlic, chopped green chili, sweet chili sauce or chili sauce, some tomato ketchup, dark soya sauce, and now give it a nice mix. So our sauce is ready. Now in this point add our fried baby corn and slightly toss them with the sauce. So here we go, our crispy baby corn is ready to serve.